I have no idea what you're talking about.
Don't act so innocent. I heard you kaya. May bad plan ka kay Ate Grace. Ate Venus, please, don't do this. Don't be mean and bad.
Why don't you just mind your own business, Haley?
How can I? You're involved. Ate Venus, can't you see what's happening to you? You're becoming so immature.
Wow! And this is coming from someone na dependent pa rin sa akin. Look who's mature now, Haley.
Fine. I may still get my baon from you. Pero hindi naman ako nagsischeme gaya mo. You're acting like a high school student.
Binugbog ako ng babaeng yan. So she deserves what she gets. Napahiya ako, and she needs to pay for that.
Kung totoo na sinaktan ka niya, then you're just gonna make things worse by making ganti.
Ang dami-dami mong sinasabi. Alam mo, kung hindi mo ko kayang ipagtanggol bilang kapatid, then just stay out of it. And make sure that you don't repeat anything that you heard. Or else.
Alam mo, Doy, naiintindihan ko yung nararamdaman mo eh. Kung meron lang tayong magawa, kung meron lang akong magawa, why not? Pero siguro dapat tanggapin na natin na pag namatay na ang star at nawala na yung star, hindi na babalik. Yan yung lininaw ni Tita Grace sa atin, di ba? Wala na tayong magagawa.
Pero Daddy, baka po meron eh. Ulitin po natin siya. Baka may maisip po siyang paraan.
For today, Ninong, full ang sked mo ha. 1 p.m. onwards. And most returning patients naman eh. And naayos ko na rin yung mga files nila. Ninong?
I'm sorry. I just can't wrap my head around the fact na sinaktan ni Gracie Venus.
Kaya niya talaga manakit, no? Maybe we should stop doing...
Na ano? Stop what we're doing? Kung nag-aalala ka na baka saktan ako ng alien na yan, that's the risk I'm willing to take. Kailangan ko makuha yung katotohanan kung anong ginawa nila sa mga magulang ko. You know what you should do? Focus on that SET. Habang hindi pa tayo naaalala ni Grace. Naintindihan mo, habang preoccupied pa siya sa away nila ni Venus.
Pinagsisisihan mo na ba yung mga naging sagot mo sa akin kanina?
Of course not. Gusto ko kaya maging couple tayo.
Bakit mukhang problemado ka bigla? Kanina lang ang saya-saya natin.
Si ate kasi, I just want to make sure na I can prevent her from doing something I know she's going to regret. Pero, ayaw niya makinig sa akin eh.
Bakit? Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung plano niyang gawin?
Basta, hindi maganda. Alam mo yung, kung pwede ko lang siya itali, to contain herself physically, ginawa ko na. Para lang hindi na niya mapupuntahan si... Wait. Do you have something sharp? Or just something that we can use to slash tires?
May balisong ako dito. Bakit?
Inagahan ko pa naman dito sa farm, pero wala naman pala si Carlos. Makita na lang tayo, Angeli. Tuloy natin ang plano. Wait, Let me call you back. What the... Why? What's going on? Oh my God! Alika nga
Yes
dito.
po, ma'am.
Bakit flat yung mga gulong ko, ha? Who the hell did this?
Hindi ko po alam, ma'am.
Hindi mo alam? Bakit hindi mo alam? Hindi ba sinabi ko sa'yo na bantayan mo yung kotse ko?
Wala naman po akong nakitang lumapit sa kotse niyo, ma'am. Pwera na lang po si Hailey tsaka si Aris. Pero wala naman po silang gagawing masama sa kotse niyo po, di ba?
That little brat.
Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na ginawa natin sa kotse ng ate mo yun. Ang totoo, nakakatakot. Pero request mo eh.
Thank you talaga, Arisa. Ayoko rin naman talagang i-ruin yung kotse niya. But if that's what it takes to control her craziness, then... Oh, bakit?
Baliw ka rin naman kasi. Baliw kaya yung sinalas natin yung gulong niya. Pero baliw ka na may puso.
But you're crazy din, ah. Because you're the one who's helping me.
Hailey! Did you slash my tires? Hmm? Why the hell would you do that? Di ba sinabi ko na sa'yo na huwag kang makialam?
Ate
And
Venus,
ikaw, young man, I'm sure na tinulungan mo yung kapatid ko dahil hindi niya magagawa yung mag-isa. How dare you! Oh,
Aray!
Aris! Ate Venus, huwag mo na siyang idamay. I'm the one who asked him for help.
that's what you get for hanging out with isang katulad niya. Nagkampihan pa kayo. Palibhasa, walang breeding yung lalaking yan.
Ate, would you look at the way that you're speaking and acting right now? Sa tingin mo, sino ang nagmumukhang walang breeding?
Ah! You're really getting on my nerves.
Aris, okay ka lang ba?
Anjali, cancel muna ang plano. I have to think of something else now. I need to fix my car. Ugh! Tantanan niyo na ako, ah. I'm warning you.
Yes, Arvin.
Doc, may good news po. Naayos po namin yung SET machine.
Oh, good news nga yan. So ano, madideliver ba yan mamaya sa clinic?
Ay, bukas pa po, sir. Kaya namin po.
No. Kailangan ko yan today. I want it delivered today. We have to make it work. Pabayaan ako kung magkano man ang kailangan gastusin niya. I really need that machine ASAP. Kailangan niya ng isang pasyente ko.